Hi everyone. On the given problem statement, best time to buy and sell a stock. So you're going to given an array of prices where price of I is the price of a stock or the given ith day. So in here, let us see this example 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, and 4. On the 0th, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th. So on 0th day, if I purchase this stock for 7, and on the first date, if I sell this stock for 1, then our cumulative profit is going to be -6. Why we're going to make a loss. So I have to purchase the stock as most cheaply as possible. So on first or once day, the stock price is the lowest. So here on first date, the stock price is 1, and after that I purchase the stock for the lowest at 1 rupee, for example, or 1 unit, and then I am going to sell the stock on, let's say, 4th day, because on the 4th day the price of the stock is highest. So our cumulative profit is going to be 5, because I purchased the stock at 1 and sold it for 6. So my cumulative profit is going to be 5. Now here, so here from you're able to understand that you have to look through this entire prices array, and out here you have to find on which date the price of the stock was lowest, and after that day we will have to find, let's say, after we have found this one, we have to make sure that we look through it till 6 where the price of the stock is highest, and then we are going to calculate what is our total profit is going to be. So now let us move to the Python implementation. Let us go to the implementation. So here let me initialize a variable called minimum, which is going to denote the lowest price of the stock. So here let us initialize the minimum with the first prices, so prices of 0, and also our profit. So our profit cannot be less than 0. Okay, so in case if there are no stocks that we can sell for a profit, then you have to return a profit of 0. So let us initialize our profit by 0, and let me iterate. So for I in range 0 to, no, in our case we already have initialized the price minimum, so it would be from 1 to length of prices. And what is our temporary profit? So temp profit is going to be minimum. So current prices of I minus the minimum, so which is going to be basically, let's say, prices of one index, so 1 minus 7. So in that case, if temporary profit is greater than our current profit, in that case we are going to add, or we are going to interchange the profit value with the temporary profit. So profit equal to temp profit. And in case if you're able to find some stock with a value even less than the current minimum, so we are going to do if prices of I less than minimum, in that case minimum is going to be replaced by prices of I. Just checking the spelling. Okay, and at last we are going to return our profit. Let me run. As you could see, it passed the public test cases. Let me submit the code. and all these test cases passed and our code got successfully submitted, and it is showing a runtime of 685 milliseconds, which is beating 89.01% of the submissions. So it's pretty efficient just when one loop. So our complexity is going to be big O of n. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.